Now, today I will discuss about present continuous. This is also one more important thing because continuous tense means which is continuing. अभी हम मैंने और आप लोगों ने क्या काम कर रहे हो? Okay, what are you doing now? How to make use of it? So I have told you that you should learn in natural way in a holistic process, and I prefer it like that. I am writing. I am making video. That means at this moment what I am doing, what you are doing. For this you need present continuous tense. Continue से continuous. कहाँ से आया है continuous word? Continue से आया. Present continuous. Present means अभी. Continue means चल रहा है. Okay? अभी इस टाइम एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए कौन सा टेंस चाहिए? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस चाहिए. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस का फॉर्मेट क्या है? डूअर. डूअर मीन्स आई. डूअर मीन्स यू. डूअर मीन्स ही. डूअर्स मीन anyone in this world in third person. Along with that, verb plus ing form. Verb means do, work, eat. So do plus ing, work plus ing, okay, dance plus ing. That means I am doing, you are reading, you are studying, you are doing your official job. Okay, so you should be very careful that in present continuous tense you need doer plus be verb or helping verb. Third is what? Main verb plus ing. Initially I am giving some idea. Later on I will give you all the written things. But slow but steady wins the race. So let's grow slowly. Let's learn while we gossip. Let's learn while we enjoy leisure time, because learning process is very boring and we should not go with pen, pencils, along with the boards. So we need it. What to gasp. So this is the gasping time just to listen to my video and get some idea. And you have got book. There are plenty of books. Let you write in a comment how do you feel, whether you like this process or not, because there are 1,000 processes in this world, and I can adopt it and I can share with you. But I like holistic process, grow naturally, so I have chosen this way because class, blackboard, pencils, pen have got enough momentum. So while you are at job, while you are in the office, anywhere you open my videos and just take some idea, and these are making background makes, and afterwards you will get the kalam and the full form of spoken written. Okay, bye bye my friends, I'll come again. So what is the course of class today? That is present continuous. Today I have given some idea of present continuous, how the mode of gossip. Okay, bye bye friends, have a nice time and meet you again and see you again. Hi, bye.